What if tomorrow morning you woke up with $20,000 in your bank account? Would that change your life? Or would you slowly lose it and end up exactly where you are right now? Because here's the truth no one tells you. Money doesn't make you rich, your decisions do. Most people think getting money is the hard part. It's not. Keeping it and multiplying it, that's where almost everyone fails. Look around. People win lotteries, get bonuses, inherit money, and within months, it's gone. Why? Because they treat money like something to spend, not something to grow. So if I had $20,000 today, I wouldn't rush to buy anything. No car, no expensive phone, no showing off, because that's exactly how people stay broke. Instead, I would follow a simple strategy that turns money into a machine that keeps paying me again and again. Let me show you exactly how. Step 1. I protect myself first. Before making any investment, I would set aside around $3,000 to $5,000. This is not for profit. This is for survival. Because life is unpredictable. Emergencies happen. And if you don't have backup money, you'll be forced to sell your investments at the worst possible time. And that's how people lose everything. So this money stays untouched, no matter what. Step 2. I invest in the most powerful asset I have, myself. I would take around $2,000 to $3,000 and use it to learn high-income skills. Because here's the reality. If you have no skills, even $20,000 won't save you. But if you have the right skills, you can lose everything and still come back stronger. Skills like video editing, freelancing, digital marketing, YouTube automation, AI tools. These are skills that can generate income from anywhere in the world. Money can disappear, but skills stay with you forever. Now comes the most important part. Step 3. I use $8,000 to $10,000 to build something that pays me every month. Because real wealth is not about making money once. It's about making money again and again and again. Option 1. Online business. I could start a YouTube channel, dropshipping store, affiliate marketing business. These models are powerful because they can run 24/7. Even when you sleep, they can make money. Option 2, local business. Or I could start something local, small food setup, mobile shop, service-based work. These can generate faster cash flow if executed properly. The goal is simple. Build a system, not a one-time income. Because if your income stops, your lifestyle collapses. But I wouldn't stop there. If you want to watch more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates. Step 4. I invest $4,000 to $6,000 for the long term, not for quick money, but for future growth. Examples: index funds, stocks, gold, a small portion in crypto. This money is not touched for years, because time is what turns small money into big wealth. And finally, I always keep some cash ready because opportunities don't wait. If the right deal comes, you need to be ready. Before you do anything, remember these 3 mistakes. Number 1, putting all your money in one place. Number 2, trading without knowledge. Number 3, chasing quick money. That's the fastest way to lose everything. If you only invest, you grow slowly. If you only spend, you stay broke. But if you learn skills, build income, and invest wisely, your money starts working for you. So if tomorrow you had $20,000, what would you do? Spend it or turn it into a machine that pays you for life? If you want a step-by-step plan to start from zero, comment "plan" and I'll show you how.